I'm going into downtown, which an eyewitness has described only as a big dog. While reporting fragmentary at this stage, it's confirmed that it has big paws, but also very large jaws. So we don't know what it's done. We can only assume that something is wrong. We are confident in saying it may be biting people